Welcome. Today, we're diving into how operations teams can choose the right inventory management software. With so many options available, making the right choice can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll break down the process into clear, manageable steps. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, the right software can streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. Let's start by understanding why inventory management software is essential and what benefits it brings to your operations team. Ready to make your inventory process smarter and more efficient? Let's get started. Inventory management is the backbone of any operations team. It ensures that products are available when needed, reduces excess stock, and helps avoid costly mistakes. Effective inventory management software provides real-time tracking, accurate reporting, and seamless integration with other business systems. By automating manual tasks, it frees up your team to focus on more strategic activities. In this scene, we'll explore the key reasons why investing in the right software is crucial for operational success and long-term growth. The first step in choosing inventory management software is to clearly define your team's needs. Consider the size of your inventory, the complexity of your operations, and the specific challenges you face. Are you managing multiple warehouses? Do you need barcode scanning or integration with e-commerce platforms? By listing your must-have features and pain points, you'll be able to narrow down your options and focus on solutions that truly fit your business. Budgeting is a critical part of the selection process. Determine how much your team is willing to invest in inventory management software. Consider both upfront costs and ongoing expenses like subscriptions, support, and upgrades. Remember, the most expensive option isn't always the best. Focus on value, choose a solution that meets your needs without overspending. Setting a clear budget will help you filter out options that are out of reach and avoid unexpected costs down the line. Now that you know your needs and budget, it's time to research available inventory management solutions. Start by searching online, reading reviews, and asking for recommendations from industry peers. Pay attention to software that is popular in your industry or has strong customer support. Create a short list of options that seem to align with your requirements. This research phase is essential for discovering new features and understanding the market landscape. With your shortlist in hand, evaluate the core features of each software option. Look for essential functions like real-time inventory tracking, automated reordering, reporting tools, and integration capabilities. Consider how each feature will benefit your operations team and whether it addresses your specific needs. Don't forget to check for mobile access, user permissions, and scalability. A thorough feature evaluation ensures you choose a solution that supports your current and future growth. Integration with your existing business systems is vital. Check if the inventory management software can seamlessly connect with your accounting, sales, and e-commerce platforms. Good integration reduces manual data entry, minimizes errors, and ensures smooth workflow across departments. Ask vendors about available APIs, plugins, and compatibility with your current tools. The more integrated your systems, the more efficient your operations will be. A user-friendly interface is crucial for adoption and daily use. Assess the software's user experience by exploring demos or trial versions. Is the dashboard intuitive? Can your team easily navigate and perform tasks? The easier the software is to use, the faster your team will adapt and the fewer mistakes they'll make. Prioritize solutions that offer clear instructions, helpful tooltips, and responsive customer support. Your business will grow, and your inventory management software should grow with you. Consider scalability when evaluating options. Can the software handle more products, users, or locations as your operations expand? Look for flexible pricing plans and modular features that can be added as needed. Choosing scalable software ensures you won't outgrow your system and need to switch platforms in the future. Security is non-negotiable when it comes to business data. Review the security features of each software option. Does it offer data encryption, regular backups, and user access controls? Ask about compliance with industry standards and how your data is protected from breaches. Strong security features protect your business from risks and build trust with your team and customers. Effective reporting tools are essential for making informed decisions. Analyze the reporting capabilities of each software option. Can you generate custom reports, track key metrics, and visualize trends? Good reporting helps you identify bottlenecks, forecast demand, and optimize inventory levels. Choose software that offers flexible, easy-to-understand reporting features tailored to your team's needs. In today's fast-paced world, mobile access is a must. Evaluate whether the inventory management software offers a mobile app or responsive web interface. This allows your team to check inventory, update records, and receive alerts on the go. Mobile access increases flexibility and ensures your operations team can stay productive even when they're away from their desks. A reputable vendor is just as important as the software itself. Research the reputation of each vendor by reading customer testimonials, checking online ratings, and looking for industry awards. Reliable vendors offer consistent updates, responsive support, and a proven track record. Choosing a trusted partner reduces the risk of future issues and ensures you have support when you need it. Before making a final decision, request demos or free trials from your shortlisted vendors. This hands-on experience allows your team to test the software's features, interface, and performance in real-world scenarios. Encourage team members to provide feedback on usability and functionality. Demos and trials are invaluable for identifying potential issues and ensuring the software meets your expectations. Pricing models can vary widely between inventory management software providers. Compare the pricing structures of your shortlisted options. Are there one-time fees, monthly subscriptions, or per-user charges? Consider the total cost of ownership, including hidden fees for upgrades or support. Transparent pricing helps you avoid surprises and choose a solution that fits your budget. Strong customer support is essential for a smooth software experience. Evaluate the support options offered by each vendor. Do they provide 24/7 assistance, live chat, or a dedicated account manager? Check response times and the quality of help resources like FAQs and tutorials. Good support ensures your team can resolve issues quickly and keep operations running smoothly. Training resources can make or break the onboarding process. Review the training materials provided by each vendor. Do they offer video tutorials, user manuals, or in-person training sessions? Comprehensive training helps your team get up to speed quickly and reduces the learning curve. Prioritize vendors that invest in customer education and ongoing learning opportunities. Every business is unique, so customization is key. Assess whether the software can be tailored to your team's workflows and preferences. Can you customize fields, reports, or user roles? Flexible customization ensures the software adapts to your processes, not the other way around. This leads to higher efficiency and better user satisfaction. Automation can save your team significant time and effort. Check if the software offers automation features like automatic stock updates, reorder triggers, or alert notifications. Automation reduces manual work, minimizes errors, and ensures your inventory is always up to date. The more tasks you can automate, the more efficient your operations will become. Smooth data migration is important when switching systems. Evaluate the software's data import and export capabilities. Can you easily transfer existing inventory records or export data for analysis? Look for support for common file formats like CSV or Excel. Good data handling features make onboarding easier and ensure your information remains accessible. If your operations span multiple locations or warehouses, multi-location support is a must. Assess whether the software can manage inventory across different sites, track transfers, and consolidate reports. Multi-location features help you maintain visibility and control, no matter how complex your supply chain becomes. Compliance with industry regulations is essential, especially in sectors like food, healthcare, or pharmaceuticals. Review the software's compliance features. Does it support traceability, audit trails, or regulatory reporting? Compliance tools help you avoid legal issues and maintain high standards across your operations. Modern inventory management often relies on barcode or RFID technology for fast, accurate tracking. Evaluate whether the software supports barcode scanning or RFID integration. These features speed up inventory counts, reduce errors, and improve overall accuracy. If your operations require high-volume processing, barcode or RFID support is a must-have. Inventory management software can be cloud-based or installed on-premise. Assess which deployment model suits your business best. Cloud solutions offer remote access, automatic updates, and lower upfront costs. On-premise options provide more control and may be preferred for sensitive data. Weigh the pros and cons to choose the right fit for your team. Software needs to evolve with your business. Review each vendor's upgrade and maintenance policies. Are updates included in your subscription? How often are new features released? Clear maintenance policies ensure your software stays current and continues to meet your needs as technology advances. Disaster recovery is crucial for business continuity. Assess the software's backup and recovery options. Does it offer automatic backups, data redundancy, or quick restoration in case of failure? Strong disaster recovery features protect your business from data loss and minimize downtime during unexpected events. If your operations require custom integrations or advanced automation, evaluate the software's API and developer support. Does it provide comprehensive documentation, sample code, or a developer community? Strong API support enables you to build custom solutions and extend the software's capabilities to fit your unique needs. If your business operates globally, internationalization support is important. Assess whether the software supports multiple languages, currencies, and regional settings. Internationalization features make it easier to manage inventory across borders and ensure compliance with local regulations. Performance and speed can impact productivity. Review how quickly the software loads, processes transactions, and updates inventory. Slow systems can frustrate users and cause delays. Choose software that is optimized for speed and can handle your transaction volume without lag. User permissions help maintain security and accountability. Evaluate whether the software allows you to set different access levels for team members. Can you restrict sensitive data or limit actions based on roles? Robust user permissions protect your data and ensure only authorized personnel can make critical changes. Timely notifications and alerts keep your team informed. Assess whether the software can send alerts for low stock, order delays, or system errors. Customizable notifications help you respond quickly to issues and maintain smooth operations. Third-party integrations can extend your software's capabilities. Evaluate whether the inventory management system integrates with popular tools like shipping carriers, payment processors, or CRM platforms. Seamless integrations reduce manual work and create a unified workflow across your business. Good documentation makes it easier to troubleshoot issues and train new users. Review the quality of the software's user guides, FAQs, and online help resources. Well-organized documentation saves time and empowers your team to solve problems independently. A vendor's product roadmap reveals their commitment to innovation. Assess whether the vendor shares future plans for new features, updates, or integrations. A clear roadmap shows that the software will continue to evolve and support your business as technology changes. Ultimately, your software choice should deliver a strong return on investment (ROI). Evaluate how each option will save time, reduce costs, and improve accuracy. Consider both tangible and intangible benefits. A solution that boosts productivity and reduces errors will pay for itself over time. Involve your operations team in the decision-making process. Gather feedback from users who will interact with the software daily. Their insights on usability, features, and pain points are invaluable. A collaborative approach ensures higher adoption rates and better long-term satisfaction. With all the data collected, make a final comparison of your top choices. Use a checklist or scoring system to objectively evaluate each option against your criteria. Consider features, costs, support, and team feedback. This structured approach helps you make a confident, informed decision. Before signing on the dotted line, negotiate terms and contracts with your chosen vendor. Clarify pricing, service level agreements, and support commitments. Ensure all terms are documented and understood by both parties. Good negotiation protects your interests and sets the stage for a successful partnership. A successful implementation requires careful planning. Work with your vendor to develop a rollout plan, set milestones, and assign responsibilities. Communicate the plan to your team and provide necessary training. A well-executed implementation minimizes disruption and ensures a smooth transition to the new system. After implementation, monitor how your team is using the software, track adoption rates, identify challenges, and offer additional training if needed. Regular check-ins help you address issues early and ensure your team is getting the most out of the new system. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Collect ongoing feedback from your team about the software's performance and usability. Use this feedback to request enhancements from your vendor or adjust your workflows. Regular feedback loops keep your system aligned with your evolving needs. To ensure your investment is paying off, measure key success metrics, track improvements in inventory accuracy, order fulfillment speed, and cost savings. Regularly review these metrics to identify areas for further optimization and demonstrate the value of your new software to stakeholders. The world of inventory management is always evolving. Stay updated on industry trends, new technologies, and best practices. Attend webinars, read industry publications, and network with peers. Staying informed helps you maximize your software investment and keep your operations competitive. As your business grows, your software needs may change. Plan for future upgrades by regularly reviewing your requirements and the software's capabilities. Stay in touch with your vendor about upcoming features and consider periodic system audits. Proactive planning ensures your inventory management remains effective as your operations evolve. Choosing the right inventory management software is a journey that requires careful planning, research, and collaboration. By following this step-by-step checklist, your operations team can confidently select a solution that fits your needs, budget, and growth plans. Remember to involve your team, prioritize essential features, and stay proactive about future needs. With the right software in place, you'll streamline operations, reduce errors, and set your business up for long-term success. Thanks for joining us on this comprehensive guide.